How to deposit money in Quotex. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're wondering how to deposit money for the first time in Quotex, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the Quotex app or website and log in to your account. On the main homepage or the dashboard, go ahead and look for the deposit button in plus at the top right corner, which is shown in green color. Tap on it and then choose your payment method. Quotex usually offers multiple options depending on your country, such as bank cards, e-pay, crypto, popular, etc. Beginners often prefer cards or crypto because they are faster. Just select any one option. I am just gonna select the banks option. Now, under banks option, you will see the Visa MasterCard section. Go ahead and choose the option you want to add. And yes, if you haven't verified your account yet, you need to first do that. If you haven't completed your account verification, you'll not be able to add any deposits. So complete the account verification first, and once you end up in this page, you can go ahead and enter your payment info details. You'll need to enter the detail for whichever payment method that you've selected. Enter the card details or wallet addresses or the payment info and confirm the payment. You'll also need to select how much amount you want to deposit. Minimum is usually around $10, which may vary by region. After completing through the steps and after making a successful payment, your funds will appear in your Quotex live account, usually instantly or within a few minutes. Remember that you'll need to verify your account in order to complete with the account deposit. So that's how you can easily deposit money in Quotex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.